Hey, if you want to find reliable suppliers in China, don't miss this video. Number 1. Use Chinese B2B platforms such as Alibaba, Global Sources, and Made in China. These platforms have numerous registered manufacturers. Number 2. Attend trade shows like the Cotton Fair. It can provide great opportunities to interact directly with potential manufacturers. However, the two methods I just mentioned either take a lot of time or cost a lot of money. The third way is to hire a source agent like me. I can help you to find reliable factories in China. Follow my tips for more China sourcing tips.